Online International Olympiad Science Olympiad Foundation. It contains many Olympiads. For now, we are going to see the SOF Olympiads of 2021 to 2022. First, we will see the exam schedule. Schools may select one date for conducting an Olympiad exam in their school. Change of date is not permitted. There are separate question papers for different dates. School may registrations by 30 days before the chosen date for each exam. Registrations may be sent either for all exams at one time or separately for each exam. Dates of exams may change depending on impact of corona on functioning of schools. There is also individual registration. Olympiads will be held online. SOF IGKO date 1 Thursday 21st October 2021, Thursday 11th November 2021. The third date has not been decided. SOF IEO, NSO, IMO, NCO, ICO, ISSO respectively. All the Olympiad exams will start from 21st October 2021 and will end on Thursday 3rd February 2022. The following Olympiads are SOF IGKO, which is International General Knowledge Olympiad, SOF IEO, which is SOF International English Olympiad, SOF NSO, which is National Science Olympiad, IMO, which is International Mathematics Olympiad, NCO, which is National Cyber Olympiad, ICO, which is for class 11th and 12th students, International Commerce Olympiad, and a new Olympiad has been recently added, and the new Olympiad is ISSO, which is International Social Studies Olympiad. Dates for level 2 exam will be announced by January 2022. Second level exams will be held for students from class 3 to 12 for SOF, IEO, NSO and IMO. SOF, ISSO, IGKO, ICO and NCO will be single level exams. Now we will see the patterns of questions and marking scheme. For SOF level 1, this is the marking scheme. Class 1st to 4th, general awareness, current affairs, life skills and achievers section in SOF IGKO. Number of questions 35 total, and marks per question for section A 1 mark, section B 1 mark, section 3 1 mark and section 4 there will be 2 marks. The same pattern goes on for 5th standard to 10th standard, except the total marks will be 50 and the total questions will be 50 and the marks per question will be 1 The total marks of the class 1st to 4th standard is 40 marks. The total marks for class 5th to 10th is 60 marks. SOF ICO, which is for 11th and 12th, the following topic section is that for questions there will be 15 in the first 3 and 5 in the last achievers section. Marks per question will be respectively 1 Total marks for this is 60. Next, SOF NCO. This is Cyber Olympiad, Computer Science Olympiad. So in this, the same things, but for 1st standard to 4th standard, it will be 35 questions, 112 respectively marks per question, and 40 marks. But for 5th standard to 10th standard, the grand total of questions will be 50, marks per question 113 respectively, and the total marks will be 60. Say the same pattern will keep on going for SOF and SO, IMO, which is International Mathematics Olympiad. This Olympiad is opened from 1st standard to 12th standard, so students from 12th standard can also participate. Extra section will be added, which is mathematics, reasoning or applied mathematics. The same is therefore IEO. IEO is for 5th to 12th standard as well. Now we are going to see the latest Olympiad, SOF ISSO, International Social Science or Social Studies Olympiad. Class 3rd to class 10th can participate. The sections will be as following till 5th standard: Social Studies and Achievers section till 5th standard. Number of questions for 3rd and 4th is 35 and total marks 40. For 5th standard, 50 questions and 60 marks. For 6th to 8th standard, there will be 4 sections: history, geography, social and political life, and achievers section. 20, 15, 10 and 5 questions respectively. 1, 1, 1, 3 marks respectively per section, and grand total of marks would be 60, and there are 50 questions for 6th to 8th standard. For 9th and 10th standard, history, geography, political science, extra section will be added, which is economics and achievers section. The questions will be respectively 15, 10, 10, 10, 5 per section. Total questions are 50. Then the marks per section respectively would be 1, 1, 1, 1 for the first 4 sections, that is history, geography, political science and economics. The achiever section marks will be 3. Total marks is 60. There is also SOF level 2 exams, which is a little more advanced from the level 1 to the level 2. Now as we finished the pattern, we would now go to awards. This is the exciting part: awards, scholarships and recognitions. The following awards will be provided on following criteria. So class 1 and 2 international and zonal awards will be awarded for first level winners, as exams for these classes are single level exam. Class 3 to 12 international and zonal awards would be provided to second level winners. For IGKO, NCO, ICO and ISSO, all classes, international and zonal topper awards will be provided to first class winners, as they are single level exams. Class topper awards will be given to top rank holders from each class, including all sections of a school as per criteria. Each winner will be entitled to 1 award for an exam. The winners will be entitled to higher level award occurring only. For example, the top 3 international rank holders will be entitled to awards based on international ranks only. Awards occurring to them for zonal ranks will be given to the next rank holder. Similarly, school awarding occurring to zonal award winner will be given to next winner. At international level, first prize rupees 50,000 each, plus international gold medal and certificate of outstanding performance. Second prize rupees 25,000 rupees each, plus international silver medal, a certificate of outstanding performance. Third prize rupees 10,000 each, plus international bronze medal plus certificate of outstanding performance. For up to 5 students getting the same rank, award amount will be distributed equally. In addition, each winner will be awarded a medal in the applicable category and a certificate. In case 10 or more students get the same rank, a live of cash reward. Each winner will be awarded gifts worth rupees 1,000 each, plus a medal in the applicable category and a certificate. At zonal level, these are the prizes. First prize, gifts worth rupees 1,000, zonal gold medal and certificate of zonal excellence. Second prize, gifts worth rupees 1,000 each, plus zonal silver medal, certificate of zonal excellence. Third prize, gifts worth rupees 1,000 each, plus zonal bronze medal and certificate of zonal excellence. 4th to 10th prize is gifts worth rupees 500 each, plus medals of distinction plus certificates of distinction. 11th to 25th rank holders will get medals of distinction and certificate of distinction. Medals of distinction plus certificate of distinction will be awarded on the basis of first level ranks. Certificate of zonal excellence will be awarded for final ranks. Medals are gold, silver, bronze, color plated as applicable. At school levels, medals of excellence will be awarded to the following. All students scoring 100% marks will be awarded gold medal of excellence. For 5 to 9 students writing the exam for a class, gold medal of excellence to top rank holder in class. For 10 to 25 students writing the exam from a class, gold medal of excellence for top 3 rank holders. And for more than 25 students writing the exam from a class, gold medal of excellence to top 10% rank holders in class. Students performing report, this is SPR, for each participation student will get in digital format. It will give a detailed analysis how the student attempted the first level Olympiad exam. The SPR will be sent in digital form to the students. The SPR consists of 6 sections. A, which is the students' marks and rank achieved in school, city, zone, region at international level. B, provides a section-wise performance score on the student. Section C, D, E, F. Similarly, it will show. Also, participation certification to each student will be sent in digital form. Merit certificates will be given to students who are second level participants. Top 25 rank holders from each class and each Olympiad exam will be awarded medals of distinction. This will be applicable for winners from 26 zones for performance in the first level exams, single level exams. Second level exams may be conducted based on the prevalent conditions due to coronavirus at the time, leading to feasibility of conducting second level exams in all states. In case second level exams are not conducted, results of first level exams will be treated as final results. The winners, that is the school winners, that is the teachers and principals. Now we will see what awards they will get. Best international principal will get citation plus trophy. There are total 20 awards. Best international teacher will get citation plus trophy. There are total 60 awards. At zonal level, best zonal principal, citation plus trophy, total 130 awards. Best zonal teacher will get citation plus trophy, total 468 awards. Principal awards are based on the cumulative performance of schools in all Olympiads exams, whereas teachers awards are based on school performance in individual Olympiads. At school level, certificate of appreciation to school principals and teachers in charge will be given. Here are the special scholarships. Girl Child Scholarship Scheme will be prizes would be scholarship worth rupees 5,000 to 300 girls who are academically inclined but come from economically modest families. Scholarship for excellence in English, merit certificate to 120 students exhibiting excellence in English language, and academic excellence scholarship to trophy plus the merit certificate to 208 students from class 3 to class 10. Students scoring highest number of marks in 4 Olympiad exams during the year wins the AES. Winners to be selected for all 26 zones and states. Weightage must be accorded to different Olympiads. Aren't these prizes exciting? Okay, now we will go to the rankings, that is second level qualification. If you need to read second level qualification, there are a few rules to do that. Top 5% of students class winners wise who appear for the first level exam due to priority marks in different sections will be given to determine marks in case of tie. Class topper from each participating school, where at least 10 students from a class appear in the exam and score 50% qualifying marks, will qualify for the second level. Normally, a student scoring highest marks will be accorded a higher mark. However, in case of 2 or more students scoring some total marks, higher rank will be awarded to students scoring higher marks in sections accorded higher priority. Section-wise priority to determine rank is as under. Here is for SOF NCO, SOF NSO, for class 11th and 12th, and also before that SOF IMO, SOF IEO, SOF ICO, ITKO, and ISSO, in which there are 3rd standard, 4th standard section, 5th standard section, 6th to 8th standard section, and 9th and 10th standard section. Criteria for ranking in second level exams are given here. Marks scored in sections in level 2 exams according to higher priority. Total marks scored in level 1 exam. Marks scored in sections in level 1 exam accorded higher priority. In case 2 or more students score same number, this is the marks. The higher rank will be determined on the following criteria. Criteria for ranking in single level exams are also given here. Second level exams may not be conducted. Now we will see the registration fee. For $9 for other countries, $1 for other countries. But school in India, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal have to just pay rupees 125 including GST per student in Olympiad. Schools may charge an additional INR rupees 25 per student towards. Here are the necessary details. You can send through demand draft, multi-city check or online transfer. Now we will see how do you participate. Click online registrations. Registration by schools should be only done by schools. Students, if you are a school student, you cannot touch this. Do not put registration by schools. Go to registration by students if you want individual registration. Write your school code, but if you don't have, write AB9999, school name, complete school address, school phone number, and also write this important question, in which has your school participated in school SOF exams earlier, your country, your state, your city, pin code, name of principal and school email. Also do your student details, student name, class, gender and section. Roll numbers, test links, guidelines, etc. will be sent as SMS email. Please ensure correct details are filled in. Also don't forget student mobile number, re-enter student mobile number, student email ID, parents name, home address and more. Also you have to select the Olympiad exams you wish to participate in. To see this, you have to press the class, which is here. For example, you are studying in class 7. If you press it, it will come here. For SOF, all of the Olympiads, registration 150 rupees. If you want to buy the books, the ranges are from 80 rupees to 250 rupees. Then you do your total order. Pick the following. For example, you are participating in IEO, IMO and ISSO. You can participate in all the Olympiads if you want. Then if you want any books, add the books too. Then press the submit button. Don't forget to see the notes. This is how to do registration. Here are the students' guidelines. This exam will be taken in the test taker guide. Here is the information for before taking test, launching test, etc. Here is before taking test. Before moving to launch a test, we need to prepare our device for system. For that, the device configurations and the required browser versions need to be updated. Update the same, the processes are discussed in the section. There are also system requirements for laptop, desktop, mobile, tablet, browser downloads and updates. There are browser settings you need to check out. The browser cache settings, launching, how to launch the test through laptop and desktop, steps to launch CONTD, and how to do when you resume the test due to connectivity loss. If candidate face connection error, the time is paused and responses are saved. Test will automatically resume from the same point once connection is restored. Sit back and relax until connection is restored. So do not worry. Resuming test, connectivity lost, CONTD. Once restored, you will be redirected to the start page with same roll number, login to resume test. So you have to wait 7 to 8 minutes to resume the test. Don't worry, your timer will be paused. You will have deserved time to complete the test. So do not worry. Here are some instructions before starting the test. I will stop for 2 minutes so you can look clearly at the following rules. Pause the video if you want to see all the rules. Instructions before starting the test, CONTG. Instructions during test, general instructions. Attempting the test. On your screen, you may see the following. Finishing test and do's and don'ts are also given in the SOF Olympiad exam guidelines. You can also watch the following videos and things. It's given in this type of screen and video. You can see the video or click these buttons to see what all details you want to know. So this is SOF Olympiad Foundation. At the top it tells for SOF Olympiad exams conducted during 2020 to 2021, student participation certificates and SPRs have been mailed to respective students for SOF IGKO and IEO. The Olympiad participation certificates and SPRs for the IMO and NSO will be given after the lockdown finishes. To see the results, click the results, read more, select the Olympiad you want to see, enter your roll number and done. Also answer the CAPTCHA. For example, if it was 11 plus 3, as you know, you put 14. 1 plus 3, 4. Then click view results. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita Iser. Shout out to Sankap All-in-One and Mission Art channel. Sorry, this video is very long, so I will now stop. For more details, please see www.sofworld.org. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.